Very good morning, all of you. Hope you all are doing well. Let's start with today's session. Quick recap of yesterday's session. Yesterday, we started with this exercise, right? This PDF I have already provided to you in the group. Now, in yesterday's session, what all things we completed? So, we created table customer, then we created one table product, then third table order, and in that order table, we have two foreign keys. One, customer ID, and second, product ID. Means in order table, we are referring to the customer ID and we are referring to the product ID to indicate that order is placed by the customer and it is placed for that product. Getting? Then we added some sample records in it. Now here they have mentioned 555, but I think we have added abundant of records in customer, then in products, then in orders, right? Now from here, the seventh question we will continue today. Okay, so we have to move from seventh question. So seventh question is add a new column named phone number, data type varchar to the customers table using alter command. So I hope you remember alter command, and using alter, can we add a new column? Yes, guys, please recall. Okay. If you don't remember, then you have to recall it. You have to go through it. Correct? Because if you forget, then every time I cannot teach. Na? Guys, time factor is there. Lot of things are there. Okay? Okay, to see here. The command is first, but I have not used that database. Whenever you start doing work, first you have to use it. And now in this, or I'll create a separate query tab for typing only this questions. Okay. So seventh question, alter table. Table name is customers. What we have to do, add, and what we have to add, one phone number column,
Column.
phone number, and its data type is varchar. Suppose I'm giving varchar 10. That's all. Now they have not told any constraint or anything on that column. Which column? Here. No constraint and all. I'll just leave it this much. Okay. Now before running this, if you want to see the description of your table, customers. I hope DSC command I have shown you in the past, especially when we took alter command only. You recall that lecture when we took alter and all the variations of alter. That time only I have told you about describe. Describe. It shows the structure of your table, like what all columns are there in my table, their data type, their size, their constraint. Everything is printed. See, does it give the description of customer table? Now, if I issue this command, okay, the column is added. We can again check the description. And in that, can you see one extra column phone number is added here? Okay. Okay. So I hope you got it. Now moving to eighth question. Now in eighth question, they're saying change the data type of the category column in the products table to allow up to 100 characters. Okay. First, what we'll do is we'll see the description of products table. It is no hard and fast rule that you have to type these keywords in uppercase. Anyway, I'm just typing in uppercase to identify that they are keywords. Okay. Now, this is the description of which table? Products table. See, this is the description. Product ID, product name, category, price, stock quantity. And can you see this category size is varchar 50. They're telling it to change it to 100. Get it? So can I change it using modify in alter only? Using alter only, but using keyword instead of add, I use modify. Please recall. You have to recall that lecture when we took alter command. So alter table products. What I'll do? Modify. What I have to modify? Category. And what is the new data type? 100. Very good. Okay. And if not null you have given, then that also you have to mention. Otherwise, but let's see, does it allow that? Because I think for category null, no. So when we created the table, when we created products table, check here. See, for category products, this is ordered products table. See, for category, I have already given not null. So you have to maintain that not null. And now you check the description of the products table. Can you see this category column data type is changed from varchar 50 to 100? You have to confirm also to do it everything along with me. If you do it, no, it becomes very easy for you and you become more confident also. Get it? That you're typing the queries and you're getting the answers. Okay? So can you see when I printed the description, is the data type of that character changed from varchar 50 to varchar 100? Okay. Now moving to ninth question. Ninth question, it is saying drop the phone number column from customers table. Just now we have added that phone number column. They're saying remove it. Correct? So can I remove that column by using alter table only? Alter table customers, drop column, okay, and give the column name. Which column name? Phone number. Okay. So I execute this command. And if you see the description of customer in that, is that phone number column gone now? Just now we had added one column called phone number that is gone from here. Okay. So that part is clear. Chalo, as fast as possible, as quickly you're doing the queries, you're typing it and running it, you're getting the output, we can move that much fast to the next questions. Okay. Coming to the next question. See, update the stock quantity, update the stock quantity of a specific product. Example, product ID 2. Okay. So we have a product whose product ID is 2. Just directly change its stock quantity to 15. Whatever it is, make it 15. Okay. Before that, if you want to just check, select star from products. This is not the part of our question. For just verification, select star from products. Now check product number 2. Okay. Product number 2, its quantity is already 15. Okay. We will change. Here they have said to make it 15. We'll make it something else. Instead of 15, we'll make it 20 or we'll make it 10. Okay. This second product. Huh? Now tell me, I'm going to issue which query for doing that work? Quickly, can you tell me? If I want to update that stock quantity, I want to update this stock quantity of product number 2 from 15 to 10, suppose. I'm doing 10. I'm not going as per this number. So which command I have to issue, guys?
Update.
Very good. Update. But do you remember for update and delete, something we have to set.
Safe,
Is there
safe
something
mode.
called,
Unlock safe mode.
pardon, loudly, loudly.
Unlock safe mode.
You have to unlock that safe mode. You remember that. Very good. Okay? And please remember that safe mode unlocking means you're clearing that flag. Is not like applicable for parent and child. It is applicable in general for any table which you want to modify. Any table which you want to modify, you have to unlock that flag because someone in another group he pasted that thing that when the parent is updated and you want to update the child, then you have to clear that. What happens is you are not consistent in the lectures. First of all, you are not regular in the lecture. Second, though you're not regular, you're not watching the videos also. And then sometime you come across that thing, you ask to the chat GPT, and then that too you're not reading completely. And then you paste some part and then you confuse yourself and the others also. So whenever you try to put some information in the group, plus verify it. First you have to verify and do it. Right or no? It is applicable to our politicians also. No? When they come to give the speech, they should do their homework and then come. There are such politicians who do their whole homework and then they come. And some are there without homework, they come and then they start telling anything. Then they don't know the difference between lakhs also and crores also. Sometimes in the speech they say this much crore, somewhere they say this much lakh. They are only not clear about what they're speaking. So homework is also very important. Correct? So you have to clear that flag, and that is applicable in general for updating, not like only for parent or child or something. Correct? So first we have to clear it. But let's see, we will issue the command first. Which command? Update. Update what? Products. Set what? Stock quantity equal to, suppose I'm making 10. They have said to make it 15. I'm making it 10, where the product ID is equal to 2. Otherwise, suppose if you issue only this much command, all product stock quantity will become 10, 10, 10, 10. Getting? So we want to just change the stock quantity of product ID to. See. Now, in my case, it worked. Why? Because today only in the previous batch, this session was running. That time I had set that flag. Therefore, it is not giving any error. But maybe in your machine, like you have started today only, it may give you that error. If you get that error, then set that flag. Okay? So good practice before doing update, delete, all sort of commands, you have to clear that flag. How we do it? Set SQL underscore safe underscore updates equal to 0. Moving to the next question. 11th question. Now, 11th question is update the membership status of all the customers who joined before a specific date to VIP. Now, that specific date you decide. Like those who have joined before 31st March of 2026 or 2024. I am taking a sample date that is 31st March 2024. Before that, as many customers have joined, I'll change their membership status to VIP. Get it? Whatever their membership status is, I'm updating it to VIP. So what we'll do is first we'll check, do we have customers before that date? Okay, select star from customers and order by uh, what is the column for join date. Actually, this is not the query. This is not the question we are answering. This is just to check the joinings before that date. For example, I gave 31st March 2024. So do we have customers who have joined before 31st March 2024 in my table? Maybe in your database, you may have different. See, I'm having three customers. See, this fourth customer is from April, 18th April. These three customers are, these three customers are before 31st March. See, this is 10 March. This is 22 February. This is 15th January. So these three customers, membership status should be changed to VIP. This is already VIP, this regular to VIP, this premium to VIP. Okay. So now can anyone tell me the query, what we will issue? Update query. Update which table? Customers. Set what? Membership
Membership.
status to what? VIP.
Yes.
If I issue only this much, it is going to change the state membership status to VIP of all the customer. But they have said only before that specific date, who joined before a specific date. Okay. So here I'll give the condition where
Join date.
join date
Um,
less than equal to 2024 dash 03 dash 31. So is it 31st March? I think in March 31st is there. Jan, March, May. Then we have July, August consecutive, then October and then December. Okay? Run the query. You can see. Can you see here how many records matched with this date?
Three
Ho-
records.
Three. But two only got updated because already one was VIP. Already one was VIP and two were not, so they got changed. Only two changed, but three were matching with this date. Okay? Now quickly coming to next one, 12. Delete a specific order from the orders table where order ID is 5. Okay? Delete a specific order from the orders table where the order ID is 5. Right? Can we delete like this? Delete from
From all.
orders, right?
The
Where
order is fine.
Order ID.
so it will delete only that order. See, one record deleted. You can check also the records from orders table. If you're printing all the orders from 244. Now yesterday they were 245. One just got deleted. You can check. See, order number 1, 2, 3, 4, directly 6. So order number 5 got deleted. Okay? Then next query. Delete all products from the products table where the stock quantity is exactly 0. Product stock quantity is exactly 0. Okay. Maybe in our database, we may not have that product, but still we will mention the query delete from products where stock quantity is equal to 0. 0 affected because in our table we don't have any record whose stock quantity is 0. But I think we have stock quantity null. If you can check the query, select star from products. See, there are some null quantity. Null quantity. We have that null quantity. Okay. So if someone tells you that delete from products, but those products whose stock quantity is null, then can we issue the query like this? Equal to null or is null I have to write? Can we write equal to null? If you remember all things I have taught you. If you write like this, stock quantity equal to null, this comparison doesn't work. It is unknown. I've shown you also this in the past. Whenever you want to compare anything to null, don't compare it with equal to operator. If you compare it with equal to, it is neither true nor false. It is unknown. So anything when you want to compare with null, you have to compare it using which keyword? Is keyword. So now if I issue this query, will it delete all the products whose stock quantity is null? See here, there is one product with stock quantity null, one more with stock quantity null. So will it delete all those records, guys? Yes or no? Getting? But as in the query they have said stock quantity equal to 0, I'm comparing it with 0. Then 14th, write a query to select all columns and all rows from the customer table. This is quite simple question. They're just saying display from which table?
Customer.
Customers. So
Customer table.
select star
Star from
from customers. This is quite basic question. See, all the customers are printed and you can check, see this first three employees. Sorry, again, I'm telling employee, first three customers. These three customers have joined before 31st March. So their status got changed to VIP, from which one was already VIP. These two got changed to VIP. Okay? This query is clear. 15. Select only the product name and the price from products table. So this is the 14th query was all row, all column. All row, all column. Because no where clause. So when there is no where clause, all rows. And star, all column. So it is printing all row, all column. Now in this case, all row, but selected column. Okay. So I'll write the column name here. Select product
price.
name, comma, price from which table? Products table.
Product.
So this is all row but selected column. See, only the selected columns have come, but all row. Okay? The product name and the price. Product name and the price. Then select all unique categories available in the products table. Now in products table, there are many products. I think we have around 150 products. So it may happen that some products are belonging to the same category. Category can be repeated. So I want only the unique category names. Getting? Suppose this is your product table and here we have category column. See, if I write
Select
select category from products, will it show you that category that many times as many products are there? If there are 150 products, it will show you 150 categories in which there can be many repeated values. See, electronics, electronics, accessories, computer, computer. So as many records as we have 175 record, it has shown 175 categories. from which many categories are repeated. So if you want only the distinct categories, you will add one keyword, distinct. Now, is it printing only the distinct categories?
Yes.
Yes,
That
sir.
is 12. Okay. Only 12 distinct categories we have. It is displaying that. Okay. Now, quickly moving to next question. As fast as possible, you can solve. You will be able to continue with the more new things, right? Like if you complete exercise in less sessions, I give you more exercises in the group, right? Because we have stipulated time, 30 sessions. So in that, if you are solving fast, I'll assign you more questions. We are now to which question query? 16th is done. Coming to 17. Fetch all customer details from the customer table, sorted alphabetically by their last name in ascending order. Okay. All things we have studied, just you have to recall that which command will be applicable for this. Okay. So we have to display what? All the customers, select star from customers, and no where clause, no filtering is there, only ordering you have to do. And you have to order it alphabetically by last name. Okay. So I'll write order by last name. Now, no need to mention ascending, descending. By default, it is ascending, and they have said to print it in ascending order. Okay. You can check. Is it arranged according to ascending order of the last name? But remember, only last name column is not sorted. Along with that, the other values also get shuffled. So what will happen? Someone else surname will go to someone else first name. Getting? So it will be a funny thing. So when the last name is sorted, along with that, the other values also get reorganized. Getting? See, first Boslet B, then C, then D, D, G. That way. Last V, verb. Alphabetic order of name it has printed. Okay? Chalo. Quickly, you can tell me the next query. Next query is 18th one. Fetch all products from the products table, sorted by price from highest to lowest. Means in descending order of the price. Right? So what will be the query? Select star from products. Okay?
Order by
Oh,
medium.
right. Order by
Order by price.
price DSC. Descending. So the products which are with highest price will come first and then in the decreasing order. You can check. See, this is MacBook 1,69,000. Or it is more. I don't know how much it is showing. Okay. For me, it is the digits are not visible. I think it is 1,69,999 something. MacBook price is that one. Okay, decreasing, 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 and then the cheapest products will be at the end. Okay, 299 rupees, 349 rupees in the descending order. Okay, sure. Then coming to 19th question. Fetch all orders ordered by order date descending. Order date descending, meaning the latest order should come first and the old order should come down. And then by total amount. Means first according to date, and then in that date, if you have multiple orders, in one date only, if you are having more orders. Suppose 2026 01 01. This is 1 Jan 2020. On that date only, if you are having 5 orders, getting same date, 5 orders a day. Okay. So again in them, arrange them in total amount ascending. Means who is having less amount first, then increasing amount. Amount is increasing. But increasing amount in that date, like on that date, 2026-01-01, 5 orders. Arrange that 5 orders according to increasing amount. Again, suppose 2nd Jan, 2 orders are there. Then those 2 orders again in increasing order of amount. Understanding? So multi-level, multi-column sorting is there. But maybe in our database, we may not get because our AI tool might have not generated multiple orders on the same date. Correct? If it has generated multiple orders of the same date, you will get. Okay? But still, can we write query for it? Select star from orders and what I have to write? Order by. First is order date, comma, total amount. I hope multi-column sorting also I have shown you on that employee table. You remember
Yes, sir.
employee table we took? So first we did sorting on the basis of city and then in that again on the name basis. So each city separate group. Then as many employees are there in one city, they again arranged according to name. Correct? So exact same thing here. See. But what is happening? We don't have uh, orders of the same date, which is actually practically not possible. Practically, if that business is doing only one sale, one date, like, one date, one sale. I told wrong. One date, only one sale. Then it's not a good business. Get it? Right or no? In one date, at least you should do multiple sale. Okay, you are doing what type of sale? Like you are selling BMW or a Mercedes, then in that case it is okay. Getting in a week one car is sold in that showroom. Okay, but if the products are like this, what type of products we have shown, phone or accessories. So in one day, so many products can be sold of the same type. So multiple orders can be there. So this is actually the failure of AI tool. AI tool didn't generate multiple orders of the same day. So actually we were supposed to inform. When we generated sample records, these sample records, when we generated from AI tool, that time we were supposed to instruct that please also consider multiple orders of the same date. Then what it would have done, it would have given you orders of the same date as well. Get it? So anyway, but is it getting arranged at least according to date? See, and they have said it date DSC I forgot to write. See, descending they said. Date and descending. So here I have to write DESC. So latest order will come first. See, 24/8/2026. And then in the decreasing order. Okay? But we are not able to identify the total amount. Why we are not able to check that the total amount is also arranged in descending? Because we don't have, here we have, see, yes, see, we have. It has given 2 orders of the same date. Can you see? 23/8/2026. Now that 2 orders in decreasing order of the amount, sorry, increasing order of the amount, but here both the amounts are same. Now other right, here we have, see, can you see? These two are according to I guess they are of same date, no? 21/8, 21/8. Correct? Now, here actually it was supposed to arrange in ascending. Let me see. By mentioning ascending, does it show you? No, but it cannot take. The timing is different, guys. Okay? Why it is not doing like that? Actually, it was not necessary to mention. Here, the order date is okay, but the times are different. And we are doing it only on the date. Understanding, guys? Why? Actually, it was supposed to show which record first because these two sales are done on the same date. So 998 first and 9,998 second. But why it is showing like this? Because the timing is also different. Correct? You're maintaining the time also. No? If you are not maintaining the time, only date, then you will get the correct result. Okay? Then, coming to next 20th question quickly. Retrieve the top three most expensive products from the products table using limit. Getting? So what you'll do, you'll first arrange the products in decreasing order of their price. Yes or no, guys? You will
Yes, Chandra.
arrange you will arrange all the records in decreasing order of the price. And then from that, the top three records only you will show. Isn't it? See, select star from products, order by, price,
Price.
descending, and then I'll write limit 3. If you want only this much part, if you run, okay, can you see? It has arranged in decreasing order. Now from this, the top three products. Okay? So only the first three, right? The next is retrieve the two oldest customers. And how do we decide they are oldest? Based on the joining date. Okay. So again, in this case, we will arrange the records according to joining date.
Join.
And
Sending
from
date.
that, the top two records. Okay. Select star from customers, order by join date. So it will order according to old to latest. Okay. From that, the first two records only. So limit what I'll put to. See, the top two records have come according to the joining date. Okay. Then coming to 22nd. In 22nd, they're saying select the third and the fourth cheapest product from the products table. Use limit with offset. Why? Because the first two you want to skip. Now, if you want to skip first two, you have to give offset 2. And after that two record, then you'll give limit 2. Okay? In this only, this query, see, is it arranging all the products in decreasing order of the price? In that, I'll write limit 2, offset 2. So offset 2 means the first two are skipped, and after that, the next two records. See. Okay, if you check all records, the first two are there, that is 35 and 40. That will go, and you will get 48, 52 number. 48 number and 52 number. See, you're getting 48 and 52. Okay, I hope you got it. Now, moving to the next one. Next is find all the products whose price is exactly 49.99. Okay. Maybe we may not have because here they are telling in the dollars form and we have stored everything in the rupees form. So we'll take some other value. 499 I'll take. Okay. 499 rupees. So select star from products where price equal to 499. Okay. So will it display only those products whose price is 499? See, three products we have. 29, 154, 168. Okay. These are all basic commands as per the knowledge we have gained till now. Okay. Now, once this is done, then we will be diving into joins, window functions, all that things are now coming in the sequence. Okay. Then coming to which question? 25th is, sorry, 24th is still there. Find all the products with a price greater than or equal to 500. So instead of 500, I'll take 5000. Okay. To select star from products where price greater
Greater
than
than.
equal to 5000. See, you're getting 97, whereas we have total 175 products, I guess. I guess we have
Yes, sir.
175. From that, only 97 are coming because these all 97 have price more than 5000. Okay, all are having price more than 5000. Then 25th we will go. Find all orders where the quantity ordered is less than 3. Less than 3 means one quantity, two quantity. Now less than 3 means 1 and 2. So we have to print all the orders in which the quantity ordered is 1 or 2. Okay? If you take orders table, there is one quantity column, right? Select star from
Orders.
orders where
So quantity.
Quantity.
Quantity
is
is
less than 3.
five.
Now
3.
less than 3 meaning 1 or 2. See. Now from all the orders, as many orders we have, I guess we were having more than 250 or something. So in that it is showing only those orders in which the quantity ordered is 1 or 2 only. Can you check? Okay. And if you try to print all the orders, see, total orders we have 244. Now in that 244, there are some orders in which the quantity is 3. Somewhere the quantity is 3. Okay. So that is not coming. We are only displaying the orders in which the order quantity is 1 or 2, that is less than 3. Okay. Then coming to this, display the product name, the price, and a new calculated column named discount price, and show the price after 10% discount. Only new column for printing. It is not a permanent column in your database. Only for print. Getting guys? You'll create a virtual column called discounted price.
Yes, sir.
See, select what column names we have to print? Product name,
Product name,
comma,
price.
price. Now, price into 0.9 if I write, will do 10% discount. No? So 10% discount means actually we write price minus price into 0.1 means 10% of the price. This is 10% of the price, and you're subtracting it from the original price. So whatever you will get will be the discounted price. So instead of this, can I take price common? When I take price common in the bracket, it will be 1 minus zero point 0.1. 1 minus zero point 0.1 is 0.9. So instead of writing this much, can I simplify it and directly write 0.9? Give the new column name as discounted price. From which table? Products table. See, is it creating a new column in which 10% is reduced? Can you see? Anywhere. 1299. Now 1299's 10% is 12.99, and that if you subtract, you get 1669. Understanding? Okay.
Yes, sir.
12.99. I think it should be 129. 129. And when 129 is subtracted, you get 1169, I guess. Whatever it is, every price 10% subtracted, and you get this discounted price. Then find all orders and display an extra calculated column called tax amount, which is 5% of the total amount. Generally, like we have to pay GST, CST in India, right or no? Central service tax and our state government, right? So that GST, what we add, that is tax only. No? This is as per the US rule that whatever the amount of your order is, whatever the amount is, it's 5% is the tax amount. Okay. So select star, I'll write, and then one more column called uh, total amount multiplied by 0.05. Don't do 0.5, it will be 50%. As, and here heading I'll give tax amount. From which table? Orders table. Okay. So from orders table, the existing column, and okay guys, select star. From star means all the existing column, and this is extra column. See here. Is this the extra column, which is 5% of the tax, 5% of the total amount. Whatever amount is there, it's 5%. Whatever amount, it's 5%. Okay? Okay. Coming to
Uh,
28.
One small doubt here.
Yes.
In previous query, after we added the tax column, can we add again total price also, total price column, as like total amount plus tax amount?
You can do it. Why not? This is discounted.
This one,
Discount.
0.5 as tax amount, we write right after that.
One more column, no? In which
Yeah,
you want to tell that what is now, how much you have to actually pay,
yeah,
right?
total amount
So like this,
like
total amount plus the total amount, whatever this calculation. Actually, it is 5%. So I can just directly write into 1.05 as total amount. Getting? So one more
instead
extra
we
column.
capitalize, actually we given one column, right? Tax amount as tax amount. We can write
You
directly, right?
can take that. That name also you can add here.
Instead of into 1.05, we can write a plus tax amount, right?
Huh. This column name also. Let's check. Okay. Is it taking that column name?
Okay.
Means is that column name getting affected or no? or as it is a alias name, does it allow you as
Okay.
year and then we'll give the new column name as final amount. Okay. All these things in Excel and all we do. No, it doesn't take that column name. This column name you cannot utilize here. This column name you can utilize below in where or some having there you can use it.
Okay.
Immediately you cannot. So therefore you have to write, okay, multiplied 1.05. See? So this is the total amount, this is the tax amount, and how much actually you have to pay after adding that tax amount. Okay? Then quickly one or two queries to wind up with today's session. See, 29th, select all customers who have membership status of VIP or premium. Either their membership status is VIP or it is premium. Getting? So can I write like this? Select star from customers where
Membership.
membership status equal to VIP, or
Okay.
you can use in clause also. Using in also you can do. If you remember all the things we have learned, you need to just apply it smartly. That in this case, instead of using or operator, can I do it using in operator? Yes, 100% you can do it. See. Now it is showing from our 25 customers, only 17 customers, because these are the 17 customers whose membership status is either VIP or premium. And I told you the same query you can solve this way also. Just writing in, okay, and in the list you're giving VIP or premium. I hope in clause and all these things we have learned. Okay? See. The same output, same 17, because it will check whether the membership status is in VIP or premium. Anyone it matches, it will display. Okay? Then, sorry, we went directly to 29. We didn't solve this one. 28 we forgot to solve. 28 is select all products that belong to electronics category and have a stock quantity greater than 20. Means both the criteria should be satisfied. Okay, so before this, that query we forgot. Select star from products where category is equal to electronics as well as the stock quantity is greater than 20. Is it right? Both the criterias means we want all the products which are belonging to which category? Electronics. And in that category also, those products whose stock quantity is more than 20. Let's see, do we get any? Yes. We have got around 9 records. And altogether, we have around 175 records from that electronics category. In that also, those who have stock quantity more than 20, only they are coming. You can check this way. Only don't add that and part and see. You're having 15. Means there are products whose stock quantity is less than 20 also. See, 8, 10, 12, null, 18. So they are getting rejected. Okay, so we got, when we add this stock condition also, now we got only 9 records because these are the 9 records whose stock quantity is more than 20. ठीक है? Quickly, one more we will solve and then we will stop for today's session. This 30th question. ठीक है? Find all products that do not belong to accessories category. All other products I want, other than accessories. Can we write like this? Select star from products where category not equal to accessories. Is it right? Means category is not accessories. See. So you are getting all the other products like electronics, computers, mobile, tablet, audio, gaming, all that we are getting, wearables, home appliances, but we are not getting which category? Accessories category. Okay, right? Then the remaining questions, we will try to solve it in the next session. Now, one thing I just wanted to tell you, like tomorrow there is a festival, so tomorrow there will be holiday. I hope it is okay for you. So tomorrow we won't be having session. We will be uh, continuing on Monday, but if you want, I can give you the recording of this solution, remaining solution, just for you people to watch. And no, then we can solve it on Monday.
Send the recap, sir, and the topics related.
No problem. Na? If I share the recording of this remaining question and Monday, if we start with new topic, will it do?
Yeah, it will be better.
Okay. So I'll give you the recording of the remaining solutions and Monday we will start with a very new topic that is joins. Okay. So don't skip that joins and all. They are very important topics. Joins, window function, all these are the topics in the pipeline. Okay. So for today, we will take a pause here.